So I walked into the Toyota service department and was shocked. It was Toyota Tundra engine replacement day. This was a segment from a comment by one Toyota owner, which I'm going to tell you more about in this video, friends, with the help of Torque News senior reporter Dennis Fleer, who published the details at torquenews.com. So how is the Toyota Tundra engine replacement going? You remember they're replacing a lot of engines. It was in the news. It's underway now at all Toyota dealers nationwide. Here's what some owners say about the process and information that all 2022 and 23 Tundra owners want to know. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armin Harayam from torquenews.com. I have a very interesting story to tell you, especially for Toyota Tundra owners. And if you like this story, which I'm about to tell you, please give us thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. The massive Toyota Tundra engine replacement affecting a staggering 102,000 vehicles is in full swing at Toyota dealership nationwide. Chris Hernandez, who owns a 24 Toyota pickup, was at a dealer in Georgia and saw a jaw-dropping sight when he walked into the dealer's maintenance shop. I found this one on Toyota Tundra owner's Facebook page, and he says it's Tundra Day. Picture owning a 2024 Toyota Tundra since December, and you are at the Toyota dealer for your first scheduled oil change. You talk to the service advisor who tells you it will take about an hour. You grab your laptop out of your truck and sit in the waiting area while your truck is being serviced with an oil change. After 30 minutes, you get bored and walk into the shop to see how your truck is progressing. Then you are kind of shocked. There are 3 Tundra trucks in a row and their engines are being replaced. You are stunned and ask the service tech walking by why all these Tundras are getting new engines. He tells you there is a massive recall and 100,000 222 and 2022-2023 Tundras are getting engine swaps for new power plants. You hadn't heard about this or may have been reluctant to buy a new 2024 Tundra. You like your new pickup, but you are now concerned. How long will your engine last? So what are Tundra owners saying? Now I'm going to share you some interesting comments from fellow Tundra owners who had their engines either replaced or have a comment about this. And I would like to hear what you have to say in the comment section in this video. So Ganesh Ramutar says, I just had my 2024 1794 swapped in 50K. They didn't have any issues prior. I got the Toyota recall letter and the dealer confirmed it needed to be replaced. They ordered the engine, delivered within 2 weeks, and completed the swap in 2 days. Put me in a loaner Tundra. Also mentioned is that the brakes only squeak from the park to drive at very low movement. Toyota replaced the pads and rotors in the front and rear at no charge, which is good. He continues saying various points of view to go on and on over. It's hard to prove a point though when the manufacturer doesn't help fix a major issue and your experienced vehicle is just sitting. I've had a coworker waiting for a 2023 GMC Sierra engine for 6 months. No loaner has been provided and no ETA on the engine. Toyota stands behind its product and warranty. Truck drives like new. So this person is very happy. Ray Parent says, I watched a time lapse of a Tundra engine change with lots of ups and downs with the lift. It looks like quite a job. Those techs are gonna be pros once this is all said and done. Just like the techs that did the Tacoma frame swaps big the day. Dennis Vienno writes saying, what a disappointment coming from Toyota. Now all other brands could laugh at Toyota. I checked my 1794 2023 hybrid and there is no recall. I'm worried that it could come after the warranty is up. We don't know. Steve Buiv writes saying, I dropped mine off over the weekend. I expect a call tomorrow or Wednesday to get mine back 2022 with only 32,000 miles on it. I wish I could have put on another 30 before I got the letter. Chris Carter says, I have a 24 TRD Pro, nothing but issues. First, there was a sensor problem with the four-wheel drive, and then the radiator cracked simultaneously, and the power issues started. After 3 times to the dealer with the power issue, they finally are replacing the head. I filed the lemon law with Toyota, and I'm waiting on their decision. But I also have an attorney. It's been almost 2 months that they have had the truck this time. Lord Drayton says, I'm still waiting on mine. I dropped it off a month ago for a new engine. Chris Cove, another Tundra owner, says, I'm glad I kept my 2021 Tacoma. I went to buy a 2025 Tundra and another guy bought it 1 hour before. Not all Tundras are bad. Toyota is honoring this big mistake they made, which is good. We need to wait a few years and let them figure this mess out. David Alcantara says, I wish my 2023 Tundra had an engine failure. The dealership has had mine for 5 months and can't figure out what's wrong with it. In-house techs can't figure it out. None of the 4 or 5 checklists the corporate tech division sent out have resolved the issue. A master tech has been out 3-4 times to work on the specific truck and hasn't made any progress. So friends, what is this Toyota Tundra engine issue if you're not familiar? Toyota is replacing engines in 2023 22 Tundra and Lexus LX vehicles due to manufacturing defect. This is Toyota's largest and most expensive recall in history. How many engines are being replaced? Toyota is replacing 102,292 turbocharged V6 engines. The recall is due to machining debris left in the engine during the manufacturing process. How long will it take? The replacement. Each engine replacement takes 13 to 21 hours. This will be a busy and time-consuming task for Toyota and Lexus dealerships. So don't be surprised to seeing their guys very busy, and they're going to be pros after this. So what is being done to help Toyota owners? Customers will receive loaner or rental vehicles during the repair. Toyota says they are fully prepared to support their dealers and has a comprehensive plan in place to ensure a smooth process for both dealers and their staff, reassuring customers of the company's commitment to their satisfactions. What is the impact on the customers? If you own a 2022 or 2023 Tundra pickup, you may have a long wait for an engine replacement. What is the resolution for the recall? The only solution is to replace the affected engines with new ones, free of charge. Friends, it's important to note that the recall may have an impact on the resale value of affected Tundra trucks. Potential buyers should consider this when making a purchase decision. Now, I said this, and I'm also thinking, if you are a Tundra owner, and if you want to buy a Tundra, you want to buy a Tundra which engine is replaced. Now you know for sure that this engine doesn't have a problem. If you buy a new Tundra or another vehicle from elsewhere, you don't know anything about that engine. But in this case, the resale value should be, in my opinion, positive, because you know that Toyota took responsibility, replaced the engine, they fixed everything. For sure, there is nothing wrong with this car in regard to engine. So you buy with some kind of confidence. What do you think about this, friends? Let me know your thoughts. If you are a Toyota Tundra or owner, let me know if you have any experience in the comment section. What is good also is we see that Toyota is responsibly standing behind its cars, changing the engine, giving a loaner, giving a rental car, while we hear some other car companies don't even do that. This is Armin Harayan from torquenews.com. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below, friends, and visit us at torquenews.com for more interesting stories like this. God bless you, and I'll see you soon in our next report.